Hello and congratulations on wanting to sell your home. It can be one of the most stressful or most exciting times. And so I want to share with you some things that can help you add value to really give you a checklist on things you can do in your home in order to, at a low cost, increase the value big time. And so here are my favorite things. Number one is painting. Painting is the least expensive with the highest return thing you can do in your home. For under $100, you can increase your home by thousands. And so this, I think, is the place that we want to start. If there's any major project you want to do, painting is the way to go. Number two is lighting. If you've got some older fixtures in and around your property, getting some fresh fixtures in there could actually really freshen the place up. But even if we're not changing the actual fixture, to have consistent lighting in a specific room is also very important. We don't want to have warm lights and cold lighting in a single space. You can have them in various rooms, but in one space we want to have consistency, and it'll really make the pictures pop when we go to put your property on the market. Number three is depersonalization. Now, I know this has been your home for some time now, but now that we've decided to sell, we really need to take ourselves out of it and recognize this is not your home anymore. This is now a house that we're going to be selling. And so you want to try and pull yourself out. That's removing any photos or anything that are really personal to you, and allowing the buyers to visualize themselves in that space is extremely important. Think about when you go out and look at a home, you don't want to see pictures of other people's kids. You want to imagine yourself and your own family in that space. So these are a few things that you can be doing to increase the value of your home for a low cost. Now, when we come in and we stage your home, it's really going to amplify these things, take it to the next level, and together we are going to get the top dollar for your home.